So let's start by hearing about what a typical day on the job looks like for you. Let's go to Shantana at first.
Hi. Yeah. So as Harp said, I am in the data science tooling space. So our product is not a data science application, but rather a pipeline orchestrator that's built on top of Apache Airflow. And we have a huge involvement in the data science community to understand what people's pain points are and what's needed. So my day-to-day includes building data science and machine learning pipelines, often end-to-end, and ones that is specifically showcase Airflow's strengths and data science best practices. Of course, I do some internal data pipelining and analytics type work as well. So for example, right now I'm starting to work on the data architecture that will enable our sales and customer teams leverage data to make decisions in a programmatic and reliable way. And once we have that groundwork laid out, we'll be able to build machine learning on top of it as well, obviously. But my day-to-day also includes user research, partnership conversations with other teams, other companies, and it's really all about understanding how people are doing their work in data science and how we can help make it smoother.